In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method in Squarespace. This process will take just 5 minutes and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can update your payment settings swiftly and with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to click on the Login button. If you're already familiar with navigating the Squarespace platform, then you know how simple this part can be. If not, no worries, just locate the login prompt on the top right corner of the Squarespace homepage. Once you initiate the login, you'll see multiple options to proceed. Next, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. This handy feature allows you to quickly and securely access your account using your Google credentials. It's a seamless way to bypass typing in your username and password, offering both convenience and security. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account associated with your Squarespace account to avoid any hiccups in this step. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you'll need to click on your website. If you manage multiple sites, ensure you select the correct one for which you want to update the payment settings. Your site dashboard is where you'll find all the tools and settings necessary for managing your online presence, so being here means you're just a few steps away from achieving your goal. Now it's time to head over to the settings. This part is straightforward, as most configurations are housed here. Locate the settings option from the menu, typically found on the left side of your screen, and click it. Once you are in the settings, you'll notice a variety of options related to how your site operates. Within the settings, click on Selling. As a Squarespace user managing a commercial site, this tab is crucial because it contains all things related to transactions and sales. You'll find it prominently displayed and easy to access. This is your gateway to managing your sales setup. After clicking Selling, it's time to select Payments. This option will allow you to control how you manage your financial transactions. Whether you're looking to change your existing payment provider or add a new method, this is where those adjustments are made. Clicking on Payments will present you with the current payment methods connected to your account. Finally, choose your preferred online payment method and sign in to connect it to your site. Whether it's Stripe, PayPal, or another service, Squarespace makes it easy to link your preferred method right from this interface. Just follow the prompts to authorize the connection, making sure the process is complete before you move on. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your payment method on Squarespace. This straightforward process allows you to adapt to the evolving needs of your business without hassle. Remember, whenever you need to revisit or update your settings, these steps will be your guide. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Squarespace.